So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to apply for a home equity loan here on Redfin. So once Redfin is opened up, I want you to go to this top bar to where it says mortgage and then where it says home equity loan right here. Go ahead and press on that. It's then going to redirect you to a new page right here through Rocket Mortgage. So you can go ahead and follow all the steps here. So there's your personal info, your about you, your income, your home info, your credit info, your loan options, etc., plus your loan approval. And if you go through all the steps that way, you can go ahead and actually apply for a home equity loan here through Rocket Mortgage, which is of course a partner with Redfin. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can apply for a home equity loan here on Redfin. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.